Hello guys, today I want to show my channel, YouTube my channel that I have successfully for subscribe and viewer. I click my channel and like this. Monetization is not about it. I don't know what is not about it because my subscribers, my channel subscribe successfully like this 1181 and viewer and review 31,757 but it's not still monetized. It's not still monetized. Like this. No symbol dollar. The video that the copyright strike and guideline strike I have deleted, but still now it's not the copyright strike. It's not this video is not a copyright strike and guideline strike is not have like this. Like this. You have 0 copyright strikes and you have 0 community guideline strikes. The YouTube panel program terms, they will send me an email, but when your channel is approved like this, we will email and decide decision usually within a week. But 2 weeks ago, not still email is not still sent to me yet. Why like this? It's all of my video, one of all my video is copyright strike and community guideline strike. Should be send me the which video that have not monetize enable it, but they still, I think that all of my video is not have copyright strike and community guideline strike. that nice job your channel is now being reviewed to make sure it comply with the YouTube partner program terms and community guidelines. We will send you email decision usually within the week. We are currently moving through pending YouTube partner program applications and are hoping to get count up by the end of June. Thanks for continue with patterns, but right now is 30 in June. 30 in June. Today we'll finish the YouTube partner program application, remove all my removing through pending application or my application. I hope that it ensbled monetization ensbled application. This is application submitted and in review. This is apply for monetization due to partner program terms accepted. AdSense requested and monetization preferences set. But fourth, channel user review is complete all of the review 4,000 and subscribers 1,000 review. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for my video and share to the other to show about this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.